Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love. Thank you. This is your bonus love reading for March 2021. I hope it resonates with you. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. If it does not resonate with you, Aquarius, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, and leave the rest. I have already uploaded your main reading, your general reading. You can have a look on that too. And let's see what are the messages. Okay, but from your already I have done your reading, so the message which I was getting for you is that new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Transformation is taking place. Someone is keeping tabs on you. Okay, someone is feeling very guilt. Okay, they're feeling very sorry about why they left you out in cold in the past. So someone is there around you who is feeling that. So let's start. Let's see what are the messages. Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Okay, what are the messages which I need to deliver? Where is my deck? Okay. Here I'm having it. Beautiful. See, I told you this, that new beginnings are coming for you. Okay, so yes, new beginnings are coming for you. Let me see. Yeah, now I can make you visible here. New beginnings. So new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius, that is for sure. There is friendship. Nurture your relationships. Okay, so whatever relationship you are having, you need to nurture that. The first message for you is potential. Think big for your future. Okay, so think big for your future. Learning to let go anything which don't serve your highest good at all. Okay, so you need to learn to let go. There is gratitude. Be grateful for all you have, Aquarius. That is very important. Say always thank you for whatever you are having in your life. Okay, always pay gratitude to the universe. Always pay gratitude to the divine about whatever you are having in your life, because many of other people cannot have what you have in your life. Then there is celebration. Let go and have fun. So maybe some kind of celebration is coming towards you. And see, I'm having celebration here also in other deck too. So some kind of celebration is coming for you, Aquarius. So yes, celebration is coming for you. Let go and celebrate yourself. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Fortune Reading Oracle deck. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Beware. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Any other message? Any other message? And if you listen voice in my background, the sound voice, so I'm sorry for that, because my family is watching movie, so maybe there is a voice in the background. Yeah, so yes, beware, be careful who you trust at this time. So yes, be careful who you trust at this time. Maybe there is someone who you don't have to trust at all, so be careful while you trust someone here. There is loin. Harness the loyal protective aura of the loin and charge ahead magnificently. Beautiful. Okay, Aquarius. Then there is luck. So you are right to be strong and optimistic about the opportunities ahead, because luck is on your side here. Okay, luck is on your side. Beautiful. Know that you are protected as you face challenge, but remain cautious. Beautiful. Lot of protection energy is here indicated for you. You are having lot of beautiful protection for you, Aquarius. So charge ahead magnificently and confidently, because here I'm having an angel. Your angels are guiding and protecting you on your spiritual journey here. Can you see? You're having a law and protective aura. You are having an angel. You are having a protective energy around you. You can move in a forward direction. Then there is wish. Your heart desire is ready to come true. So some kind of wish fulfillment is coming true for you, Aquarius. Okay, so your wish fulfillment is coming true. Then there is cracker. Positive energy surrounds you. Love, joy and good fortune awaits. Beautiful. Beautiful and wonderful message for you is here. So positive energy surrounds you. Love, joy and good fortune is coming for you. There is key new beginnings, directions and adventures awaits for those who ready to let go of the past. See, so you have to let go, learn to let go. Letting go, you need to let go. You know better on which you are holding on. There is something on which you have to let go. Learn to let go, learn to let go. Okay, so let go is the message which I'm getting for you. Let go of the past on which you are holding on, because new beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Osho Zen Tarot deck. What are the messages for my Aquarius? See, celebration. So yes, some kind of celebration is coming for you, Aquarius. Let me see. What are the messages? Harmony. Harmony is coming for you, Aquarius. What are the messages? Abundance. Abundance is coming for you. Harmony is coming for you. There is fighting. See, you need to, can you see there are two? 1 minute, I need to pick up the card. Yeah, so there is here two men who is fighting at the back. So maybe you're having fighting with your own mind thoughts. Okay, so stop fighting with your own mind thoughts here. So that's the message I'm getting. Maybe you are thinking a lot, you are overthinking a lot. Here I'm having transformation, and in your main general reading too, I was getting the message that transformation is taking place. Beautiful. Here fairy also, I'm having transformation. So yes, many of you are going through a transformation period. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having letting go again. So yes, learn to let go, Aquarius, because abundance and harmony is coming for you. Can you see how beautiful it is? So yes, harmony and abundance is coming for you. Let me see any other message. Any other message? Okay, so do not compare yourself, Aquarius, with others. Okay, there is the miser, the comparison, and here the compromise. 3 cards here. Maybe you are comparing yourself with others, and that's very bad, because not everyone is same. You are unique personality than others. Okay, so do not compare yourself with others at all, Aquarius. Okay, let me see any other message. Bottom of the deck I'm having adventure. Lot of adventure is coming for you. Use your creativity, Aquarius. Work on your creativity. You have to work on your creativity. There is a lot of creativity which is there. Universe understand that you are not alone at all. Okay, and you also have to understand that you are not alone. Okay, there is intensity. Lot of intensity is coming for you here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Energy Oracle deck. I'm sorry because I am having a ligament break in my leg, so I'm unable to sit like in this position. Still I cannot sit, but let's see. What are the messages? Give me the messages for Aquarius. Wow, blossoming abundance is coming for you. There is walking away. Okay, what are the messages? Door to spirit is open. What are the messages? Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. 1 minute, let me adjust my cards. Okay. What are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. Beautiful. A caring connection is here. A thinking man is here. Angel of balance. Fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. And there is world card here. Beautiful. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having woman holding a heart, and there is yin and yang. So this is your twin flame, your soulmate, your life partner soulmate, your yin and yang. Okay, someone wants to give you heart. Gender is not specific here, but someone wants to give you heart here. There is someone who is thinking about you, Aquarius. They're thinking about you here. Okay. There is angel of balance which is coming for you, and there is fifth chakra which is opening for you. Your thought chakra is getting open here, so now you can communicate clearly, you can express yourself. Okay, so now you can communicate clearly and you can express yourself. My camera is not, now it's okay. Yes, so now you can communicate clearly because now it's being activated. Then there is blossoming abundance. You are getting lot of abundance which is coming your way because you are walking away from those connections, okay, which don't serve your highest good here. Once you leave and once you start, once you leave the toxic relationships, you will receive beautiful gifts because you have to get away, walk away from the toxicity or toxic relationship as soon as possible. There is door to spirit which is opening for you. There is third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, which is opening for you, Aquarius. And here I'm having a caring connection. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yes, these are the messages which I am getting for you. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Oracles of Fairy. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Okay. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Find balance. And my camera is not also getting balance. 1 minute, I need to. Okay, that's why. Yes, so find balance. Find the balance between your work, rest and playtime, and you will have more energy, harmony and productivity in your life. Take a power nap. So maybe you are working a lot, Aquarius, so you need to find balance. Take a power nap. Make a balance in all areas of your life. There is inspiration and motivation, both are here. Be prepared as you will soon receive a visit from a fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call at any time. There is motivation. When spring approaches, the flower fairy urges you to spring into action. If there is something you have been merely thinking about doing, they say get busy doing it. So if you're thinking about doing anything, Aquarius, do it as soon as possible. Go and do it. This is the message which I am getting for you. Then there is moderation. Try to eat healthy as much as you can, okay? Is there something you know you should not be eating? Try to eat mindfully and healthier. Although the fairy says a little bit what you fancy is fine, okay? But you are eating something which is not at all good for you. And what has happened my camera, I don't know. Okay, let me just, okay, yeah, so maybe you are eating something which is not good for you. Then there is life energy. The happy fairy of sunshine brings lot of life giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in shadow that needs to be healed here. and it's not clear. Yes, so this is life energy. That means that you need to be healed. If you need to be healed, you have to heal that area of yours, life, Aquarius. Then there is a journey. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you are ready when the time comes. Pack your passports now. So beautiful card is there for you. There is a journey which is indicated. So pack your passports, Aquarius. And if you are traveling, and if you're not traveling, that means a new chapter of your life is going to start. Okay, so this is the message which I was getting for you. Thank you so much, Paris, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Grace cards. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Give me the cards. Okay, honor and choice. So first message for you is choice. For every action there is a reaction. Choose wisely. Okay, so maybe you have to make a choice here, so you have to choose wisely, Aquarius. Then there is honor here. So care for your soul, honor the divinity within by practicing self extreme self care. So you need to honor yourself first, okay, rather than but first you need to love yourself, then only you can love anyone else, Aquarius, and that's the truth. So these are the messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from Super Attractor deck. Okay, let's see one or two cards. Give me one message for Aquarius which I need to deliver. Too many cards. What is the message? Okay, I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to love and joy. Okay, so yes, this is the message which I am getting for you. Okay, so beautiful message is here. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's add some message from Native Spirits. I love this deck. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. I love all my decks. I always tell this. What is the message which I need to deliver? Okay. Spirit of water and offerings. So these are the two messages which I am getting for you. Spirit of water, and these are offerings. Let me read it out. What is the meaning of spirit of water? Okay. Trust your intuitions, Aquarius. Know that you are on a right path. Take time to nurture yourself. Allow your inner child free. Believe in your dreams. Don't stifle your emotion. Trust the messages they are giving you. Purify and cleansing yourself and your home. Healing is on its way. Emotional healing energy is expanding within you. So beautiful message is here for you that you need to trust yourself. You have to do your cleansing of yourself, of your home. Okay, healing energy is on its own way. Then there is offering. The universe is grateful for you. You are a gift to the world. Feel gratitude for everything you have in your life, even the things that don't seem perfect. Appreciation for everything flows through you in a great bounty. Cherish is a preciousness of life and everyone and everything around you, and thus you will be cherished. So always feel thank you for whatever you are having in your life, Aquarius. I always say that always have an attitude of gratitude. Okay, always feel thank you for all those things which you have in your life. So let's see. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Crystal Spirits Oracle deck. Let's see. Let's add one message. And that was very fast. That's Pirate. Okay, Pirate. Beautiful, very sparkling message is here. Let me read it out for you. This is self-appreciation, genuine abundance and prosperity within knowing your worth. Throughout the ages, women have sought the gems of earth, the crystals whose beauty delighted the eye and whose power could aim them in the quest to achieve a sense of safety and abundance. They recognize the intestinal value of these gifts from nature. When Pirate Spirit appears, you are meant to appreciate the abundance that our conscious universe has provided an abundance of opportunity, resources, support, and most importantly, love. Okay, so you have to see, again the message is same, that you have to create abundance. You are having abundance of everything, and always feel gratitude of everything you have in your life. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add some message from the healing mantra deck, and then I'm closing out your reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay. Embodying my soul. So embodying my soul, I have a right to be excited. So that's the message which I'm getting for you. So this was your bonus love reading for March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius wherever you are. Take care of yourself. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.